Woo! Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, back to another video here on the Dinosaur channel. We've got two incredible dinosaurs to open up and unbox for you guys here on the Dinosaur channel, but I want to remind you guys that this is your home on the internet for all things dinosaur and prehistoric. As well, you can become a member on this channel, join, and unlock cool icons and emojis you can use when interacting with our channel. And today we're going to be covering these amazing Rowdy Roar Velociraptor Beta and Dilophosaurus, which is so exciting. These guys are Jurassic World Dominion's play on, and I'll show you guys the characters on these little puppies. So each one of these had their own name. This was like the Rowdy Raptor Blue. It had some cool sounds if I remember. I guess mine is dead. It's been sitting here for a couple of years now. Yeah, I guess the batteries are dead, which is weird because I remember this. Oh, there you go. So that's Baby Blue. Fantastic figure, really, really good. And then there was one for Toro, which I've never actually even opened. I don't even think I've ever used this one. Oh, wow. That's cool. And then there was one for the Indominus Rex. I don't want to pull it out, but you can see it with it. He's got a little beef in his mouth. But yeah, they came out with two more. So this one is for Velociraptor Beta, Blue's offspring, which is exciting, little baby Blue's offspring, and the Dilophosaurus. The two of them, they have an action feature that allows them to sort of move, I think. They can like fly, or not fly around, drive around. And I want to keep this packaging close to perfect because I would like to repackage these in the future. I really like the sort of packaging where it feels like you get a little baby hatchling here. Oh man, I gotta open this up more intensely, huh? Let me just check. I think it's locked by the feet as well. Let's see, can I pull you out? No, you're not coming with me yet, are you? Alright, gotta open it up from the bottom. Oh, it was wrong. Okay. That was relatively easy to open. I gotta say, who else is digging the Dominion packaging? The Dominion packaging has been so great in all the different figures. So these guys are really expensive. I know we're heading into a recession and inflation is crazy right now in the States. These guys are $25. I think $25. They're too much money for the size and the figure that you're getting. It's just way too much. I'm trying to see here if there's any activation to the voice actions. That didn't do anything. So I don't know how you actually use it. Let's try to read the box. Chomp and Roar, interactive. Mine might be defective, maybe. Oh, you gotta turn it on, I'm an idiot. There we go, turn it on. You good? You alive? Hello? I feel like stupid because I can't figure out this kid's toy. There's not even an instruction book with it. Chomp and Roar, interactive. Alright, well, my little Velociraptor Beta might be a dud. I don't know what's up with it. I think it's got a lot of action features. I might have to replace the batteries, which I'll do in a minute, which is kind of sad because this should come with working batteries. If it doesn't, maybe it just doesn't come with batteries. Maybe that's the situation. But you do need like a screwdriver to access that. We'll open up the Dilophosaurus. It obviously has Blue's markings, beautiful blue, the Velociraptor's marking. Its head is enormous. It's like a bobblehead. It's ridiculous, but it's got an absolutely cute model. I basically bought this thing for the head. It is very much a tiny little baby raptor, and it's cool. I mean, it's not my favorite rendition of Blue or Beta I think I've seen so far, but it's cool nonetheless. It is a nice toy, and I'm a sucker for anything that comes with baby dinosaurs, as you guys know. So let's unbox the the Dilophosaurus. This is just so cool. I feel so grateful that we even have a baby Dilophosaurus toy. That's not something I ever expected from the franchise, and I'll be honest with you, if we get in any context a baby Dilophosaurus in the movies or Camp Cretaceous or anything, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna be the happiest boy in the world. Alright, let's try to get this out of the packaging in one easy swoop. Oh no, I ripped it a little bit. That sucks. Okay, here we go. So let's turn it on. Do you work? Maybe I'm not doing something right. Is there a tab I need to pull? Am I not? Oh, it does require. It's not included. That's some. Are you kidding me? These guys are $25 and they require 3 AAA batteries? 3 AAA batteries and they don't include them. That's crazy. I mean, maybe they don't include them for precautionary measures, but that's some that you need to get your own batteries. I'll be right back. I gotta get some batteries and a screwdriver. Alright, Beta and the Dilophosaurus. I got batteries in them. Again, I'm a little angry about the situation with the batteries. It's kind of annoying. But there we go. We got the two figures right here. And let's try them out. I think they're on now. This is my first time trying them out. Oh, wow, that's cool. That's the Dilophosaurus sound. Okay. So that's what it does. That was a raptor sound. That's weird. So what I don't like about this figure is if you take a look at the face, it's kind of molded very similar to a Velociraptor. This face specifically. Doesn't very much look like a Dilophosaurus. The face. The rest of the model looks great. I like the frills. I like that they kind of fold back, but okay. Do you do anything else, bud? That's it? That's all the interaction that you got? I feel like this thing's showing me that it's got to roam. How do you make it roam? What do you do to make it roam? How do I make you roam? What if I hold this button? Let's see if that works. Oh, that did something. I can't get this thing to roam. I don't know how it works. It's not very interactive. It says interactive, but I don't know. I feel like they're not explaining it well. If it is interactive, let's try Beta. Let's see what Beta can do. Oh, that's cool. Beta's got some new sounds. Okay. Nice. So 3 sounds. How do I make you guys roam? I don't know what the... I gotta Google this. Okay, I figured it out. I Googled it. I watched a video from Andy's Dinosaur Reviews to understand how it works. So if you pet the bottom of its jaw, which is not really explained here anywhere, that's what activates the movement. I guess there's some sort of sensor there. And it moves around. Wow, that was a fast waddle. Let's see the Dilophosaurus. That's cool. I like it. One more? Don't fall off the table there, bud. Alright, let's set the 2 of them off at the same time and see who wins. Ready? Oh, they're attacking each other. One more time. Here we go. What can I say? They're cool. Alright, chill out, bud. We're good. I love the Dilophosaurus. I like the model a lot more than the Velociraptor Beta. I think that the face could be done a little bit better. But that being said, the crests are beautiful. It's like even this sort of rubbery plastic. It's not really fully plastic. It's not a hard plastic. And I do like the flaps. I like the frills that they sort of go back and forth. I do like that. It's legit, you know? It looks like a... looks like a baby Dilophosaurus. It is cool. And I like that they actually painted the nails here on the toes. Here, you know, we got some painted nails as well. They're gray, which is a weird choice. I don't know why they didn't just do black, but it's nice. It's cool. I like the sounds of Velociraptor Beta. I'm sure I'm gonna fall in love with her during the movie, and then I'm gonna be very happy that I actually bought this figure. I like the glass eyes. That adds like another level of definition to this thing. You know, she does have these little bodybuilder wrestler arms, which are a bit strange. I don't know how I feel about them, but other than that, it's cool. Nice markings. Not really much to say. I'm a little underwhelmed by them compared to the price. I mean, that's cool. That is cool that they do that. Woo! It's nice. It's a cool feature. I like them overall. They are cool. Let's try to make them yell at each other. I don't like that they put a Velociraptor sound in there, though. Come on, this is Jurassic World franchise. We gotta get this stuff movie accurate. But it is cool. These guys are awesome. Rowdy, Roar, Jurassic World Dominion, baby dinosaurs coming uncaged, and their little packaging. Their packaging also looks like it's a cage, which is cool. It looks like you are buying a dinosaur. We've got sort of the Malta background here. This is definitely, I think, for more for kids. Way more than less of a collector item and more for children to have sort of like a pet dinosaur. It would be really cool if in store they included the batteries, because I feel like half of the magic as a kid is walking up to this thing in store and having it like shaking around in the box when you're trying to buy it. I feel like that's half the magic. But it's cool nonetheless. I'm giving it crap just because I'm giving it crap. It's a cool toy. It's just a little bit on the expensive side. I would say if you're on a budget and you're collecting right now, I would say skip these. Wait for them to go on sale if they ever do, because I got a feeling that they might be shelf warmers a little bit. Maybe they won't, I don't know, but $25 for this figure with tax is like almost 28. It's expensive. Yes, I don't know if it's necessarily worth it. And if you're on a budget and trying to buy a bunch of Jurassic Park merchandise, Jurassic World merchandise, or if you want some other just cooler figures, these might not be the ones for you. That being said, I do love them, and I'm excited to put them up on my shelf like an adult. Alright, that's the end for the Dinosaur channel today. Guys, please subscribe and turn on those notifications so you don't miss a single future upload that we do. And of course, leave us a dinosaur-sized thumbs up and comment down below a dinosaur prehistoric creature you would like to see us cover in the future. As well, you can become a member on this channel, join, and unlock cool icons and emojis you can use when interacting with our channel. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.